McClellan, a wife, a mother, and a friend, and a lover of all things hair, makeup, and style. I changed my life completely when it came to health and fitness. I was weak, overly worked as a mom, had run myself through the gutter, but didn't realize what I had done until it was far too late. When I started working out, that was when I realized very key things, and those key things is what I'm here to help you with today. I am mind blown how much just taking care of me changed the anxiety that I felt, the comfort level that I was at, and here we are today. I've been able to help myself, and through that, I can now help you. So how am I gonna do that? I have worked with thousands of women, and it isn't just like telling them exactly how to apply their makeup, but it is building confidence in their skills with applying makeup and styling their own hair. I teach you how to work with the hair, the kind of hair that you have, and how to have the most fun with the curls you're about to achieve. We take it to the whole next level as well, where style is thrown into the mix. You go to your closet, you shop from your closet, you pull out key pieces, and if you don't have those key pieces, guess what? I have now started a boutique, and in that boutique is the key pieces that you will need to shop your closet, work your closet, and make it work. So you need to join me here on this channel, and on Instagram and Facebook you can find me as well. But subscribe, like, comment on things, engage here, because here is where you can find amazing education that you're gonna wanna have to flip your world around. Again, I'm Jocelyn McClellan, and I'm so excited for you to be here. Stick around.